She cute, she cute, she cute, she cute.
Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful protective hairstyle with Outre X-Pressions hair. So these twists are 24 inches. I love this hairstyle because it's so easy to do. Not only that, I can get up and I can go. And if you are new to the channel, you may not know that I'm a mother of 6 kids. So I need something to be quick and something that would allow me to get up and go. And not only that, this is perfect for working out. So if you just need something that would be easy, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful hairstyle now. Okay, so we're going to be using the Outre X-Pressions twisted up hair. I have the 2T1B30 hair. I love this color, and I'm going to be doing this hairstyle on virgin natural hair. So I got my Hicks for my edges, girl. I also got the Magic SHINEffect conditioning gel, and I also got the strips. Now these are items for my edges, okay? And then I also got the Got to Be glue. These are items that I picked up from the beauty supply, and we're just gonna get started with this hair. Oh, let me not forget my boar brush. Okay, this is $6.99, but it's worth it. So the first thing you want to do is section off your hair. Now let me just tell you this before we get deeper into this tutorial. I am not the one that's looking to have the perfect parts. I just need to do what I can do while these kids are giving me some time to take care of my hair. So I'm going to get my scalp ready for the twist. I like to put a little oil on my scalp because it's a little dry. So I like to put a little oil on my scalp and just get it ready. Also, I like to massage it in. Actually, it's good to do that in every section of your hair. And then, yeah, just go right into it. So again, my parts are not perfect, guys. They're not perfect. I just need to, get these twists in. So after the pomade, now it's time to get started with the twist. So I'm going to take this hair out, and I'm making sure that I'm very careful with this hair because if this hair tangle up, girl, I got to go back to the beauty supply and try to find some more hair. So my advice is to be very careful when you taking out the hair. If you be careful, you will have more than enough. So as you can see, the hair is already separated. I'm taking one piece, not two, because I don't want my twist to be too thick. I'm taking one piece and I'm going to use my fingers just to detangle the end. After that, you split it in half, and then I'm going to cross the first 2 pieces over just so they can loop. So cross it over so they can have a nice little loop, and then that's what I'm going to use to start the twist. So to start my twist, I'm going to use the braiding method. So you want to braid it down like an inch, and then you can start your twist. I personally like this method because I feel like it's more secure and my hairstyles last longer. So as you can see, I braided it down. Now I'm going to twist counterclockwise and then twist over. I love to use pomade, and sometimes I'll even use the Hicks. Like I'll go back and forth just so my hair can blend in with the Outre hair. So as you can see, look at the method. I'm twisting counterclockwise and then I'm twisting over. I'm using this method because the twist shouldn't be loose, and I'm going to use this method from the base. We'll braid a little bit at the base, but once I start twisting, I'm going to use this method all the way to the tips. So I just want to show you guys the counterclockwise method again. As you can see, I am not braiding it, but twisting it down all the way to the tips. You want to make sure that you have some product on your hand just so the tips do not get tangled. And yeah, just twist it down all the way to the end just so it won't unravel. And then the style actually looks better when you twist it all the way down to the end. Now, if you use 24 inches, you will have to get creative when it comes to twisting it all the way down to the end because the twists are going to be pretty long, but make sure you down. So this is how the twist look. It's pretty long, guys. Like, I love it. Pretty long. And yeah, so I just want you to see how it looks once I am done. So I'm going to start on the second twist and use the same method that I used on the first twist. You'll braid your hair down about 1 inch. Once you braid it down about 1 inch, you're going to start the twisting motion. Now, prior to you twisting, you want to make sure that you always add in pomade or some kind of conditioning gel, just so your hand will have a little slip and glide to it, to prevent any tangles, to prevent the hair from getting tangled. So as you can see, I braided it down about 1 inch, and then I go right into the twisting motion. Again, you want to twist counterclockwise and then twist over. Now, look at this second part, girl. It's not perfect, but hey, I'm still gonna make it do what it do, okay? And I am using the brick lay pattern. So with the brick lay pattern, it's going to prevent a lot of your scalp from showing. And it also gives it a fuller effect. It makes the twist look more, not the twist, but it just makes your hair look more full. So that's why I like the brick lay pattern. Of this hair, y'all. That's why I always go to the beauty supply and be on the hunt for it. If you haven't checked out my previous YouTube video with the same brand, go and check it out. So I created a beautiful natural hair pony with this same brand. The color was 1B and it was like 12 inches, and I got so many compliments on that hairstyle. This brand it works for me. The texture looks really good with my natural texture. So go check it out once you get done with this video. So look at the twist, y'all. She is cute. Yes, she cute. And I'm loving how the twists are looking. See, you couldn't even tell, you can even tell that my parts are not super straight. The brick lay pattern still looks good. That's why I don't be stressing. I don't be stressing about these parts. But yes, I'm about to show you how the top is going to look now.
I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live in this.
All right, ladies, so this is the finishing touch. This is the finished look of my hair. Try to stand up a little bit, stand back so you can see it. I love this color.
Red one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All my niggas on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got a big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits.